This next section is about creating static records. Why might you want to create a static record? Well, you rarely have to because most devices register themselves automatically with DNS. But say you wanted to set up a web server, for example, on your local computer. We could have people access it with a different name. So let's right-click here. We're going to create a new host. There we go. We're going to say computer 1. And the IP address is going to be, in this case I have the wrong IP address in the thing. We're going to do 10.10.1.40. Automatically this has a 1 hour time to live. We're going to create an associated pointer record. There. We're done. Guess what happens now if we try to ping that? We won't get a response, but it will resolve. There we go. So let's ping. We're almost there. Yep. Whoops. Ping computer 1. It does resolve it, but there is nothing there. So you can set up static. Yep, there's no response, but you can set up static records in your DNS in case something doesn't automatically register, or if you have a web server or a mail server or something like that. All right.